Need to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now the computer is located down here below the glove box behind this panel right here. So we're going to remove this panel now, and we're going to start by removing this 10mm headed bolt right there. And on the other side, we're going to remove that one. So we're going to remove those now. Now that we have the bolts removed, we can just pry the cover off. I believe there's 4 clips that hold that on. And there is our computer. Right there. So we're going to have to start removing the electrical connections first. These electrical connections just push in like that and come out. So we got them all out. Next thing we're going to do is to remove the 3 10mm headed bolts that secure the computer in. There's one right there. And there's one right there. And if we slide over here, whoop, there you are. Right there. So we're gonna remove those 3 bolts now. Here's the last bolt. Okay. Shouldn't be anything holding it. Oh, wait a minute. We got this relay right here. Alright, there's a little lock right there. We'll push that in. Slide our little relay off. And there is our computer. Engine control. That's it. She's a beauty. So that's all there is to removing a computer from your Toyota Sienna.